In 2016, while surveying 100 acres in Porter, Maine, I came across a bald eagle laying against the base of a blazed tree. 3 years later, I finally started a carving to commemorate the eagle I had found. The carving started with knives and chisels, but because of a soft spot in the wood, this was the first project I tried using a Dremel on. Through the banding on the bird, I was able to contact the biologist who banded it and installed a GPS backpack it was wearing. He gave me permission to retrieve the bird so they could recover the GPS. He later sent me a screenshot from Google Earth showing the points recorded by the GPS. The bird was banded in its nest in Somerset County and spent most of its 6 years between there and Newfoundland. There were only a couple of recent points from where I found it in Porter. It had just reached the typical breeding age for eagles, so they figure it had ventured out looking for a mate. I found it around the time of the mating season, so it is believed it was killed by another territorial eagle. From the band information, I received a certificate with the bird's details. I decided it would be fitting to make a base for the carving that replicated its band and a piece of one of its flight feathers that had broken off when it fell.